It's my UDI U12A helicopter 3-channel. It says it comes with a memory card. It did not. No card reader. Cool. Comes with a charger, wall charger, radio, the video function. It's in mode 1, mode 2, which is accelerate, probably indoor than outdoor. And camera button, video button. Let's go fly it. Turn the camera on. Should be a red light under the camera showing us on. Red light's on. Watch out, Zoe. And here comes the wind. No wind. Come out with a helicopter. Wind starts. Watch out, Zoe. Get back. Hit the accelerate button. You're supposed to hit it, but more authority. Try and turn the rudder with the wrong control stick. I might use the 3-channel anymore. That's full forward and it's not coming this way. Get down out of the wind. It does look cool though, as usual. Nifty. These Pivotheads have a dual function. It's supposed to take a picture whenever I hit that button, so we'll see if that works. Running to myself. It's cool. Uh-oh, get into the wind and gotta get back down. A little bit of wind up high. But this look pretty cool in the dark. Afraid to get it up too high, afraid the wind to get it off it to go. Pretty cool. Well, it's touchy on the wind. Did not like the wind. Wish I knew that. It's coax. Touchy too. fun flying a helicopter once in a while. That's why so many quadcopters. I just like the looks of this one. I've had this for over a year. I almost got myself. I keep wanting to use the left stick for the rudder and didn't respond to that. I think I'm gonna land it and come back out when it's dark tonight and fly it again. Pretty neat. Let's go see how this turned out on my computer. Raining outside, so I'm gonna try to show the lights off in here. I don't know if that's gonna be possible or not. It's a big helicopter to fly inside the house. Plus there's no I'm always bouncy in the house. Whoa. I always bounce a lot in the house. On the throttle. It's easier to fly it outside. I'll just show you the lights this way. I don't want to crash it and hit anything. Pretty neat, pretty neat. It's got one heck of a bright light. The reason I'm flying inside showing you this inside is because it's raining outside. It may not clear up before tonight, so just check it out.